Let's talk about something that's changing the world: artificial intelligence or just AI. But what exactly is AI? Imagine a brain, but inside a computer. A brain that can think, learn, and make decisions. That's artificial intelligence. When you ask Siri to set an alarm, when YouTube recommends a video, when Google Maps shows the fastest route, that's AI, quietly working in the background. It's not magic, it's math and logic, done by machines. AI is all around us, in smartphones, cars, hospitals, banks, even games. It helps doctors detect diseases. It helps businesses grow. It helps us live smarter. But here's the cool part: AI doesn't just follow commands, it learns from data. It improves over time, like a student that keeps studying and gets better every day. So, in simple words, artificial intelligence is when machines start acting smart, like humans, sometimes even smarter. And this is just the beginning.
Have you ever seen a robot solve a Rubik's Cube or heard Alexa answer your questions? That is called an intelligent system. But what exactly is an intelligent system? In simple words, it's a machine that can think, decide, and act just like humans. Now, let's talk about the four main categories of intelligent systems. The first type is called reactive systems. These systems react only to the present moment. They don't have memory and can't learn from past experiences. Think of it like a mosquito. It flies away if you wave your hand, but it doesn't remember you. Chess playing bots from the early days use this type, they only see the current move. The second type is called limited memory systems. These systems do have a short memory. They can learn from recent data and use it to make decisions. For example, self driving cars are limited memory systems. They observe nearby vehicles and traffic signals to drive safely. The third type is known as theory of mind systems. These are much more advanced. They try to understand what people are thinking or feeling. Imagine a robot that can tell when you're happy, angry, or lying. That's theory of mind. The fourth and highest level is called self aware systems. These systems don't just think, they know that they exist. They are conscious of their own thoughts, emotions, and identity. It's like a robot saying, I am a robot. I know I'm thinking right now. Sounds futuristic, right? That's the world of intelligent systems. Machines learning to think like us. And one day, maybe even better than us.
So now we know what artificial intelligence is, but what actually goes inside an AI program? What are the main pieces that make it smart? Let's break it down. There are four key components of any AI program. Think of them like the parts of a brain, but made for a machine. First, learning. This is how an AI program gathers knowledge. It collects data from the world, like numbers, images, or text, and uses it to learn patterns. Just like how we learn from experience, AI learns from data. Second, reasoning. Once the AI has learned something, it needs to think logically. Reasoning helps it make decisions, solve problems, or find answers step by step, kind of like solving a puzzle using what you already know. Third, problem solving. This is where AI becomes useful. It can plan, calculate the best path, or try different solutions to reach a goal. For example, how should a robot move through a maze? AI solves it like a game. Fourth, perception and language understanding. AI needs to understand the world through eyes, ears, and words. Perception means recognizing images, sounds, or speech. Language understanding means it can read, write, or talk like when you chat with a chatbot. These are the brain cells of any intelligent machine. Put them all together and you've got artificial intelligence in action.
Artificial intelligence didn't just appear out of nowhere, it stands on strong foundations, the building blocks that make it possible. Let's talk about the foundations of AI. There are five main foundations of AI. Think of them like the roots of a tree. The deeper they go, the smarter AI becomes. The first foundation is mathematics. AI needs math to understand numbers, patterns, and probability. It helps machines make accurate decisions, predictions, and calculations. No math, no AI. Next is statistics, the science of data. It helps AI learn from past information and handle uncertainty, like guessing the weather tomorrow based on patterns from the past. Statistics teaches AI how to learn from data. Third, computer science. This is where we actually build the AI. It includes programming, algorithms, and making systems that can run fast and smart. Without computer science, AI is just an idea, not a working program. Fourth is neuroscience, the study of the human brain. We observe how humans think, learn, and react, and then try to make machines do the same. Neural networks in AI are inspired by the structure of our brains. Finally, psychology. To make AI understand humans, it needs to understand how we think. Psychology helps AI recognize emotions, behavior, and decision making styles. These are the foundations of AI, strong roots that support powerful intelligence.
Artificial intelligence is a big field, but it's not just one thing. It's made up of many smaller parts. We call them the sub-areas of AI. Each sub-area focuses on a different type of intelligence like seeing, thinking, learning, or speaking. Let's explore the main sub-areas of AI one by one. First, machine learning or ML. This is how AI learns from data. You give it examples and it figures out patterns on its own, like teaching a child with flashcards. Show it enough times and it learns. Second, natural language processing or NLP. This is how AI understands and uses human language. It powers chatbots, voice assistants, translation apps, anything that talks or texts like us. Third, computer vision. This is how AI sees and understands images or videos. From face recognition to object detection, computer vision gives AI eyes. Fourth, robotics. Here, AI controls physical machines like robots that move, walk, or even dance. It combines intelligence with action in the real world. Fifth, expert systems. These are programs that mimic human experts like a doctor or a lawyer to give advice or solve problems. They use a lot of if-then logic, just like a rulebook. Sixth, reinforcement learning. AI learns by trial and error, like training a dog with rewards and punishments. It makes a move, sees the result, and improves over time. Seventh, speech recognition. This helps AI convert spoken words into text. It's what lets your phone understand when you say, "Call mom." Together, these sub-areas make AI more powerful, more human-like, and more helpful.
Artificial intelligence is growing fast and the world is changing with it. Let's explore the current trends in AI. What's hot, what's new, and what's next. First, generative AI. This is the tech behind tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E. It can write stories, create images, generate music, and even code, all by itself. It's like giving AI a creative brain. Second, AI in education. AI is now personalizing learning for each student. It gives smart recommendations, tutors you on weak topics, and even checks your homework. Third, AI in healthcare is booming. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases, predict health risks, and even assist in surgery using robots. Faster, safer, smarter healthcare. Fourth, AI for automation. From factories to offices, AI is automating tasks, reducing human effort and speeding up work. It's transforming how companies run. Fifth, conversational AI. AI is getting better at talking like humans. Smart chatbots, voice assistants, and AI agents that feel almost real. They're now part of customer support, apps, and even daily life. Sixth, AI in cybersecurity. AI is protecting our data by spotting threats, detecting fraud, and responding to cyber attacks in real time. Seventh, ethical and explainable AI. People now ask, can we trust AI? Is it fair? So, new AI models are being built with transparency, fairness, and human values in mind. Eighth, multimodal AI. AI that can understand text, images, audio, and video all at once, like a smart assistant that reads, watches, and listens, just like humans do. These trends show that AI is no longer just smart, it's creative, it's helpful, and it's human like. So, that was it for this video.
If this helped you, like the video, drop a comment and share it with someone learning tech.
And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.